Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We'll demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have right here, guys. Now if you have different year, but that generation video may be helpful. When you open the hood on your Ford F-150, guys, you're going to notice that once you open the hood, right above the radiator here, you're going to find your fuse box. And when you open your fuse box, you're going to see the fuses in the engine bay just like that. Check it out. Which fuses we need to check now. Before we continue, let me tell you, it's super important to test fuses. Let's explain why, so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Now, these fuses and relays could be really expensive at the parts store because they're sometimes hard to find. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So right here now, if you come in that fuse row right here, we'll be looking at the first fuse that we need to check. The very first fuse on the left side, that's known as a fuse number F26. That fuse right here will need to be checked. Number F26 is one of them. Then you have one more. You need to come to that row right here, and the second fuse that you need to check is the second fuse right here, known as fuse number 76. In our case, 20 amp fuse, guys. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.